Hello Pisces, you are tuned into Ruhani Guidance and this is your monthly love prediction for the month of September. Please take whatever resonates and leave the rest as these are generalized energies. Also, before I start the reading, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Looking into your monthly energies, this reading is divided into three parts for people below the age of 21, for people between the age of 21 to 28 and 28 and above. So, what does the love life for my Pisces brings for people below the age of 21? So we've got the Chariot here. Now Chariot can, this is your energies. Your energies here signify that you could be really caught up between, giving time to your partner and to your friends. This is a very evident energy because you are not able to decide who would require more time, what is more right in your life, what should you do, what should you not do. Also, I don't see you to be really invested into the relationship, and neither does your person seem very, very invested in the relationship. You both are taking things as they come, and even with their card, I see Three of Pentacles. Probably also signs of not being on the same page or not on the same compatible lines. Could be external factors as well, and they could be thinking about this relationship, talking to their friends about it, talking to someone who they really like or who they really look up to understand what they should be doing. Overall, if I see, you might just be spending a lot more time with your friends, celebrating, just having fun with your friends, having fun with your girlfriends, and they could be having fun with their friends, but not too much happening for you during this month. An advice from Romance Angels for you would be your love life is influenced by your religious upbringing and spiritual path. Also, if you have a question in your mind in regards to the relationship, what will happen, what will not happen, a scenario that you've set in your mind, the answer is in the near future. For people between the age of 21 and 28, your energies are Seven of Wands. You are working very, very hard. You could also be having a third party situation, but doesn't look like to me. I think you're just working very, very hard, very invested in your work. You are in a very envious position, and your partner is actually suspicious of a third party situation here. They like to have their gender roles established, and they might not be very comfortable you spending a lot of time at your work, and they might just feel that you are not their priority anymore, and this may be causing a rift in your life. Also, I see that you do not pay a lot of attention to your partner, which can be causing all these insecurity issues. Someone has to start with a new beginning. Maybe if you're the man, you're going to establish a lot of boundaries in your relationship, and you're going to set the rules of the relationship this month. An advice for you would be make the effort. Great love is worth taking the steps you're guided to. And perfect timing. For people between the age of 28 and above, you think that there is no progress in your love life. It's moving very, very slow, but believe me, you are moving towards a good direction. The other person may be thinking of moving abroad, starting an education or a job. They might not be very, very invested into this relationship, and they might also be juggling a lot. This entire month, I think you might feel really, really left out by your partner, but I feel that there is some sort of a progress happening. Once their work gets settled, your relationship also will get settled along with that. If I look at an advice from the Romance Angels, I have your love life is ascending to a high level of commitment. And if there is a question in your mind and you do not know the answer and you've been contemplating, the answer is yes. So Pisces, this is your monthly energies. Please write to me if this resonates with you. And until I do the next reading, stay home, stay safe, and stay tuned to Ruhani Guidance.